I'm Brett Miller with Miller's RV, standing in front of a recent trade-in, a 2017 Winnebago Fuse 23T. This coach is on a Ford Transit chassis with an inline 5 Power Stroke turbo diesel engine that will get 15 to 16 miles to the gallon, which is incredible for an RV. If you look at the outside of the coach here, you can see that this coach is fully painted from end to end. It has a one-piece fiberglass roof, which is going to eliminate most of your leaks really lifetime on this coach. The roof does have a 10-year structure warranty on it from Winnebago and will transfer to any owner that buys this coach. We sold this coach originally and they just traded in and actually bought another Winnebago from us because they're so happy with the product. Nice couple out of Lafayette that keeps doing business with us. Now, moving down the side of the coach, you've got an electric awning equipped on this coach. You've got outside speakers equipped on this coach. It has one power slide coming out on the passenger side that you can see, and it does have the slide topper from the factory built over the end of it. It's on a 1-ton 3500 Ford chassis with dual wheels on the back, stainless steel wheel liners, running boards, electric step, and spare tire on the back. This coach is also equipped with a Class 3 hitch and rated to pull 5,000 pounds. So if you do want to pull your Jeep or whatever tow vehicle behind you, you've got plenty there to be able to do it. And here are some of the key features on this coach on the outside that we'll look at from the back. The coach is equipped with a backup camera. When you get to the campground, even if you're by yourself, if you're blacking in at night, as soon as you put this coach in reverse, it's going to show you everything behind you, and it is a full color monitor. It also has side cameras built onto this coach, so anytime you turn a side blinker on, it's going to give you a view coming down the side. No blind spots at all while you're driving this coach. And being only 24 foot long, it's really a big Suburban. You can take this coach anywhere. You can pull into a Walmart or a grocery store parking lot and put it into a normal parking spot. Now, the other things it does have is a roof rack and ladder. Now, the reason this is important is you want to check your seals on your roof at least twice a year. And if not, if you don't want to fool with it, bring it to us. Our shop will take care of that for you. But keeping the water out of this coach is the life of this coach. And especially if you can keep it under cover, you can actually go about once a year as far as inspecting those seals. Now we're going to move inside the coach and talk about some features in there. And here we are on the inside of the 2017 Winnebago Fuse 23T, just to try and talk about some of the key features that are available in here. Up here on the dash, you're going to notice that we have a backup monitor here, and then of course your radio monitor here, so you have dual screens here. That way when you're driving, if you're towing, you can actually put the camera on and not lose what you're doing as far as radio or GPS on this unit. You got leather seating up front, dinette table folds down and makes a bed, sofa folds down and makes a bed, and this coach has an option where you push these two together and it makes a bed from wall to wall in here. You could sleep 4 grandkids on this. Stack them in here like firewood if you need to. The cabinetry in this coach is a slide instead of an opening, and that way you don't bump your head when you're sitting at the dinette and stand up and cut yourself while you're camping. You've got a roof-mounted 13,500 BTU air conditioner, power roof vent here, which is controlled from a switch down at the bottom, refrigerator, which works on gas or 110, and it's a 6.5 cubic foot. Kitchen area also has a sink with a pull-out sprayer, 3-burner gas stove, full 17-inch oven, microwave convection combination above you, and his coach is even equipped with solar charging built onto the roof. There's a panel in the hallway that tells you to charge on your battery at all times. That way, if you don't want to leave your coach plugged in or don't have that option at home, the solar will keep the batteries charged for you and you'll be ready to camp at any time. Also have a full monitor system built in this coach in the hallway. All right, and here is the tank monitoring system that I was talking about earlier. Now, it's built into the hallway of this coach. This coach is also equipped with a gas-electric combination water heater. Now, the reason that is important, let's say you're camping at a campground and they have a power outage. Doesn't happen often, but it will. You can always switch over to LP on this and still have hot water to keep your wife and your kids happy. And believe me, it's important because it's happened to me before. You've got a gas furnace built onto this coach, and you also have tank heat built into this coach. What that means is this coach is winter ready and also 4 seasons. Let's say you're on a camping trip on the northern peninsula of Wisconsin or Minnesota and it gets below freezing. This will keep your holding tanks from freezing on you and running your trip. This coach also has a full queen bed back here with a memory foam mattress. Very comfortable. It equips and goes into the slide right here, and then you've also got night shades that give you total blackout back here. That way if you want to sleep late, which all of us want to when we're camping, it'll give you the availability to do that. You also have a full bathroom in this coach with a walk-in shower and a foot flush toilet built in. And one of the most important features that you always want to discuss when you're buying an RV, car, anything out there that you're shopping for is the warranty on the coach. Any Ford motorhome chassis that is sold comes with an original 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, and that warranty is transferable to the second owner. Now, we also have extended service contracts available on used coaches here from anywhere from 1 to 5 years. You can call us here at 225-275-2940, and we can discuss warranties on any coach that you've bought, whether you bought it from us or you didn't buy it from us. Now, to get more information on this coach, please visit our website, millersrv.com. We've got probably 15 pictures up there that you can see and take a look at before you even come in and visit us. But it's always important to test drive a coach before you buy it. So come see us for a test drive today, and always remember to enjoy the journey. This is Rhett Miller, Sales Manager, Miller's RV. Have a great day.
Hey, this is Jeff at Miller's RV. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Check out one of the other videos linked here, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll get all the video updates when we come out with them. Catch our content on Facebook as well, or visit our website, millersrv.com. Again, Jeff at Miller's RV reminding you always, enjoy the journey.